Did you know that black holes can burp? There are big gas bubbles above and below the center of our Milky Way galaxy. Scientists have been trying to figure out how these bubbles, called Fermi bubbles, were formed. New observations suggest that these bubbles could have started from a stream of particles called electrons and positrons, which were burped out by the supermassive black hole at the center of our galaxy millions of years ago. Some passed by Earth, and scientists detected an excess of particles called positrons using a special detector on the International Space Station. This excess of positrons could correspond to a burst of activity from the black hole between 3 million and 10 million years ago, when the Fermi bubbles are thought to have formed. These bubbles could have been formed because our galaxy's supermassive black hole burped out a bunch of particles after a big meal millions of years ago.